Okay. I originally wasn't going to do a voiceover for this, and I've also tried to do this several times now, and then I realized that doing a voiceover would probably be better and easier. I don't know if you know how to do the character submission, but you just hit the submit and then character, and then you type whatever name you want, right? And you can choose if you want to set it to a specific folder or whatever, if you want it to be seen by people. Tags, just for funsies. And then sometimes there's a little button up here that'll say like enable or disable. You want it to look like this. If it looks like a white box with random stuff up top, you don't want that. You specifically want it to look like this. Um, and then, so you'll go to the code page, right? And you want to locate where the code is stored. Sometimes it opens in paste bin. Um, like, for example, hold on, let me just pull up one of mine real quick. Because mine always open in Pastebin, because I use Pastebin. So we'll go to this, and then that. And if it opens in Pastebin, you can just select from the top and drag down, or you can hit this, and it copies the entire thing, whatever you want to do, right? But anyways, so we have this, right? And then you'll go here. You can see again, I already was in the middle of one of these and decided to do the voiceover. Um, but you'll paste it in here, unless you just want to throw it in here. But I recommend doing the actual like editing from here. Um, and then you want to look for where it indicates like things should go. So like how this is background URL right here, right? So you want to change that to something like let's grab a random Pinterest image real quick. Like where's my we'll go in here. We'll go we'll go to Yamaha for you because I think it'd be funny. And we'll grab this and we will copy image link and then we'll just bam, right? This is actually I just realized this is the code that I use for my profile. Um, that's really funny. I didn't even think about that. Um, but then you'll go most of the stuff that you need to worry about will be um also I'm sorry if the music in the background is loud or annoying or anything. I just like I need it to think. Um Most of the stuff that you need to worry about editing, at least unless you are going to go like super in depth and like massively edit codes, most of it will be stuff like besides sources, like this how it says source and it leads into this. And then you can change that to something like um, the kitty cat, sure. Then you'll do something like that, and it changes that image, right? Um, and then the stuff like this, the white text, this will change stuff like this. So like, right? And then obviously like the song lyrics part where this is, and you can change that around or whatever. Um, Sometimes you'll have ones that have the song. And so if you have one that has a song on here, then what you'll do for that is you'll go and let's see, just pull up a random decent video. Sure, this, right? Um, and if it has like the song link, then you'll go to this, and then you'll take this little part before the question mark, and you'll put it right here. So then you can hit, this might be loud, by the way, because usually this part is loud. Like, right? See? So you could play music from there if you wanted to, if you felt so inclined. You don't have to. Um, but basically you'll do like, um, uh, and then, well, that's not, I'll do that because I'm not anywhere near that age. And then, sure, right? Okay. So then you're like, okay, cool, I like this. I like how this looks. I'll change my name to, uh, grass. Yep. Oh, you can change these little icons too. So like if you don't want the moon or the star, then you can go and you can find like how it has moon right here. And you can, there's these sites, and this is going to be a lot of information, and I'm so sorry that it's a lot of information, but like it's just, just to help, like just a help covering basis of most things. If you go to Font Awesome and you want to look up like, oh, I want to see if I can have something for skull, right? If you turn that off of, oh, I don't remember. I think it's, no, it's, there's one that you can do where you just get rid of, uh-oh, where you get rid of the ones that you can't use. Oh, I think it's free. So then you'll see these, right? So then you can go in here and you can take this, and in place of moon, you can put that in and see, now it's changed. Um, and so say that you've hit a point that you like how this looks, right? So then you'll select all, copy or whatever, right? And you go here, and then you go to this, and you paste. Make sure that you have a name in there, by the way. You have to have some kind of name, or else it will not allow you to do this. From here as well, you can decide, like, if you're gonna have, like, um, if you decide that you want to have, like, an advertisement, so, like, you're advertising, like, a purge or whatever, most of the times you only need to worry about making it a character itself. From here, you can designate if you made the character, if someone else made the character that's on Toyhouse, or if someone made the character on not on Toyhouse. And you can also upload images here, which is nice because this will immediately assign them an icon to begin with and also gives them an image to begin with. You don't have to, uh, but it's just, it's something you can do. So if you're like, okay, I'm happy with all of this is all good, then you can go to this, and it should look like this. Obviously yours will look different naturally. Um, but it's not super hard. It's just getting used to it and getting in the mode for doing things. Um, and as you go on, like, if you want to assign them an image, like from your random stuff from inside of here, you can do that. Um, this will allow you to re-edit everything. Um, tabs are like secondary characters that get added onto the side. So like, ignore how many tabs I have open right now on top of here. Don't even worry about it. There's different kinds of tabs. Um, yeah, there's like subgalleries, whatever, right? So like, this is naturally Yamaha, right? Ignore that. I'm sorry. But one of his tabs is for Fabled. Um, if you're not going to do anything with that, you don't have to worry about it. Upload image just helps you, it lets you upload an image. Manage images, if you have like a whole bunch of images, then this will allow you to sort, well, I lied to you. Sort images is the one right below it. Um, also, yours will not look like this. Like, it won't have this. It'll only have um, the manage character, manage images, and manage literatures, I think. But if you click on the control panel, you can upload other things on there. Um, Obviously, I'm pretty sure at this point, most of this information you don't need because you were just asking about the code itself. I'm just trying to give little tips and pointers. Um, but manage images allows you to, like, decide if you want things to be seen or hidden and stuff in mass. Sort images is the one that allows you to, like, move things around. And then you'll have to click save gallery to do that. Or else it'll revert. Uh, And then if you have a character that you don't want or you just didn't need, then naturally you will go and you'll hit delete, and it'll always ask a confirmation because, you don't want to accidentally delete something that you want. Um, and then you can just delete it and it's gone. And then, yeah, there's like the coding aspect itself is probably one of the hardest things that can happen with it. You can also make folders to sort your characters into, and like you can label them by names and stuff or whatever. Um, but for the code stuff itself, you just take the code from whatever it decides to open, and then you can slap it into Playhouse, or you can slap it into the other one that Julia uses. And when you're done with that, you copy and you paste it into the box and you save. It's not super hard, but it's a process of getting used to, and I understand that. Um, oh God, this was a lot longer than I was expecting. I am so sorry. Um, oh, I didn't realize that you could see my little guy on the screen. Yeah, that's that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to trim this down. Actually, this is a lot of information. Yep, that's it.